Hey guys, welcome back to Laughing with Michelle and Ian. Guys, today we're going in the kitchen to bubble a pot, guys. Guys, we're going to cook some chicken foot soup today. Yes, it's Saturday, and guys, Saturday it's soup day. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So guys, my chicken foot is already in the pot bubbling, and now we're gonna cut up our carrot and our pumpkin, guys. Yes, that's the first ingredients we're going to add in the pot with our chicken foot. So guys, we're gonna cook carrot or pumpkin soup, so we're gonna cut up all that carrot and all that pumpkin. So I took a few carrots out and cut a piece of pumpkin. So guys, you see I scraped my carrots. Yes, I don't know about you guys, but I love scraping my carrots before I dice them up. So now my carrot is all diced up, guys. Let's go and dice up our pumpkin. Pumpkin is already diced up, guys, nicely. Beautiful, beautiful pumpkin. So for those who doesn't know, too much carrot and pumpkin will take the taste out of your soup, guys. So we're gonna go ahead now and add our carrot and our pumpkin to the pot, guys. Let it boil along with the chicken foot. The chicken foot is already tender, so I'm just gonna give it a little stir, guys. Yes, and I'm gonna take a little commercial break right now.
So, how can you tell when a man is cheating on you?
You think your man cheating?
Yes, I do.
That's how you can tell.
Welcome back, guys. Guys, the next ingredient we're going to add to our pot is our chocho. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some chocho in my chicken foot soup. Guys, my pot is looking good already. Guys, I want big pot of soup, this Yeah, man. Guys, when I lie on the pot, I look rich already. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give this a little stir, guys. And then we will go to another commercial break. Hi, my name is Delarisha. I have been kidnapped. No makeup, no eyelash, no nothing. Pussy clotting lick off me wig. Welcome back, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video. Guys, if you haven't thumbs up this video as yet, please go ahead and thumbs it up right now. So guys, here we have our food. We have some yam, we have some dasheen, some chocho, some Irish potato, and some sweet potato, guys. But before we put it in, let us go and check our pot and see what's going on. Wow, pot a bubble already, guys. Pot look rich already. Chicken foot stand up in a pot. Yeah, man, super catch color already. Okay, guys, let's go to another commercial break before we peel our food, guys.
Hello?
Hello?
Who is speaking?
It's me, Aaron.
Ha! Why are you calling me with another number?
I have been calling you since and you refuse to pick my calls.
I refuse to pick your own call number.
Yes, because you are owing me.
Ha! Are you the only person I'm owing? Are you the only person? Do you know people that is owing me?
Please, I need my money and I want to say my account number right away.
Now what happened?
I want to say my account number right away.
I will not see it. My phone screen break.
Oh, your screen break. How then did you not know that I'm doing calling with another number?
How did I see what?
That I'm doing calling with another number.
The number that's called is by the grace of God.
Let that grace of God show you my account number.
Grace of God doesn't work on account number.
Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I did not use all the yam that I showed you earlier. Guys, this is the yellow yam, and yellow yam is very nice in soup, guys. And you know, we have to wash our food nicely before we introduce it to our pot. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and peel our dasheen now. And again, guys, I love dasheen. Dasheen is one of my favorite food. And again, dasheen is also good in chicken foot soup. So guys, now we have our cocoa, and we're going to peel our cocoa, and along with our dasheen and our yam, we're going to put these three food in the pot together. And guys, of course, you know that we have to wash our food before we put it in the pot. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my, it's looking delicious already. Looking so, oh my god, guys. Look at this. Rich. Yeah. Rich. Guys, I hope you all are enjoying this video though. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you have not pressed the like button as yet, guys, go ahead and press that like button. So guys, now we're gonna put our food in the pot. Yes guys, washed all nicely. So after putting our food in the pot, guys, we're going to take another commercial break, and then we come back and add the rest of our ingredients to the pot, guys.
You have boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nail? Short nails, please, thanks. Oh, honey, that's why you don't have boyfriend. I do for you, long better. All right, fine, I'll have long nails, thanks. It's okay, honey, only $4 more, that's okay. Do you like crystal gel? What? Do you like crystal gel? I'm sorry, what? Honey, do you like crystal gel for your nail? It's the best thing you can have for your nail. Make look nice, it sparkle like diamond in the sky. Do you like crystal gel? Oh, no, I don't want crystal that. Thanks. Honey, you say to me you do not have boyfriend. I don't want to help you.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm just checking my pot, giving it some stir, making sure the food is not sticking to the pot bottom, guys. Guys, the soup is looking so rich. Guys, the next ingredients that we're gonna add in this soup is our sweet potato and our Irish potato, guys. So guys, my sweet potato is already peeled, and now we have our Irish potato here. Yes, it's ready to go in the pot now, but first, we have to wash our food, guys. Yes, washing is a must. Guys, again, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so now. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this soup. Rich in color, rich in flavor, and rich in taste. Guys, this soup is looking wonderful. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Irish potato and my sweet potato, guys, to the pot now. Yes, we add our potatoes last because they are easily cooked than the rest of the food that is already in the pot. So meanwhile they're cooking, we'll go ahead and take another commercial break.
You can break my heart, cheat on me, but please don't promise me money and forget. It hurts.
Me I drink till thy kingdom come. You vex about it? I was on my life, darling. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. You vex about it? Start a live and make you and yourself watch it, man. I chat too much, man. Oh, yo.
Welcome back, guys. Time to season up our soup, guys. So guys, here we have a little piece of butter. We have our cock soup. Yes, guys, braised cock soup, of course. We have our scallion, we have our pepper, and we have our thyme. And we have to wash our seasoning, guys. So guys, you know the real Jamaican, we beat up our scallion. Yeah, guys, we have to beat our scallion before we put it in the pot. Yes, guys, and we had our pepper and our thyme. And our little piece of butter will be added in the pot, and our cup noodle. So guys, as a real true Jamaican, we have to go ahead and throw some of the soup in the cock soup pot. Yes, and shake it out and throw it back into the pot. Real authentic Jamaican cooking that. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stir it around a little bit. And guys, of course, garlic is a must. Garlic is a must for me, guys. I don't know about you guys, but garlic is a must for me in my soup. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning into my soup as well, guys. I will also go ahead and add a little bit of salt, guys, and then take a commercial break.
What you say about the mosquito there?
Mosquito out for hang me in the house. This morning, me and them a woo. What? And when I them come and me ears, never shut up your mouth.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer Inku.
Welcome to Kaswa TV.
Thank you.
Hi, how do you do?
I'm selling fruit.
How do you do?
I'm selling fruit.
So you don't have nobody?
Not at the moment. Lose my lady in a car accident. What about you?
Oh no, I never been into a car accident.
I mean, if you not have nobody.
No. Me lose all of my parents from them was children.
I mean, if you have like a partner.
The last one me join, a police me have to carry the girl yard to collect me join.
Alright, done.
Spice. Shensia. Shenyang. The Angel. Chanel Muir. Go back, Amariano artist. It's too enough, man. Go back. Macadam, Tanya Stevens. Queen Africa. Come now, enough, Amari. Come. Welcome back, guys. Let's go and check on our soup. Yummy. It's looking delicious. It's looking lovely. It's looking beautiful. It's rich in color, guys. Guys, I don't like a thick soup. I don't like when my soup is too thick. Yeah, guys, so it has the right texture for me. Looking very beautiful and it's smelling beautiful as well, guys. So, guys, you know that in this household we don't really eat dumpling, guys. So this soup does not have in any dumpling. I know that us Jamaicans love dumpling or a little, dumpling in our chicken food soup, but no dumpling is in this soup, guys, because we're trying our best to stay away from flour. So there's no flour added in this soup whatsoever. So guys, whenever my pepper get this quail look, it tells me that my soup is ready. But guys, there's a problem that I have. I think my chicken foot is a little bit too soft. It's time to share my soup. Which bowl do you choose? Let's take a commercial break and get back, guys. I'm sorry, but you are not the Father. You are not the Father. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. That will be done. So guys, as you can see, I chose the plastic plate and I am ready to go and devour this beautiful soup. Thank you all for watching. Love you. Bye.
I'm here represent for Michelle and Ian. You understand me? So guys, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. You understand? You see if you want a whole heap of laughter and a whole heap of fun, you want to check out the YouTube channel here. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. See? BBX TV and Entertainment at all. Boom.
Me white collar representing for Michelle and Ian, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a talk, living talk like, nothing is wrong with that. Cause the respect, Biggie and a Ray Tupac. Real talks in the streets never go nowhere without them Glock. Friend killing friend is gonna stab in the back. East side, west side, stop being the dog. And come to life and stop the cause and stop the fight. Put away the gun, put away the knife. Yeah, man, subscribe to Michelle and Ian. And what thing go? One family, in real life, one generation. One straight gun. Like that. Oh, okay. What do you next?